Engineering Excellence for Industrial Crane Manufacturers, URGS International Engineering Services. Hello everyone, welcome to this session. I am representing URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, a global engineering and management consultancy dedicated to supporting industrial crane manufacturers worldwide. In today's video, we will explore the challenges faced by crane manufacturers, the importance of engineering standards and compliance, how the right consultancy and training can transform your operations, and how URGS International can support your organization in achieving engineering excellence. If you are a manufacturer, project manager, design engineer, or business owner in the material handling industry, this session will be highly valuable for you. Now, industry overview. Let us begin with a quick overview of the industrial crane manufacturing industry. Industrial cranes play a critical role in sectors like steel plants, power generation, infrastructure and construction, ports and shipyards, manufacturing industries. These cranes are not just machines, they are mission critical assets that directly impact productivity, safety, and operational efficiency. However, the industry today is facing multiple challenges: increasing demand for safety compliance, need for international standardization, pressure to reduce cost while maintaining quality, shortage of skilled technical workforce, frequent audits and regulatory requirements. This is where a specialized engineering consultancy becomes essential. Now, importance of engineering standards. Let us talk about one of the most critical aspects: engineering standards and compliance. Global markets demand adherence to standards such as ISO standards, FEM standards, EN norms, OSHA safety requirements. These standards ensure structural integrity, operational safety, reliability of equipment, legal compliance, international market acceptance. Without proper implementation, companies may face project delays, rejection in international markets, safety risks and accidents, financial losses. At URG's International Engineering Services, we help organizations not just understand these standards but implement them effectively in real world operations. Now, our core services. Let me now walk you through our core service offerings. First is engineering consultancy. We provide expert support in crane design validation, structural analysis, load calculations, system optimization. Our goal is to ensure your designs are efficient, compliant, and reliable. Then, next is standards implementation. We assist companies in implementing ISO systems, FEM and EN compliance, safety and audit frameworks. We bridge the gap between theory and practical execution. Then third is technical audits and compliance. We conduct third-party inspections, factory audits, documentation reviews. This helps you stay prepared for client audits and regulatory approvals. Then next is training and skill development. One of our strongest areas is professional training. We offer customized training programs for engineers, supervisors, quality teams, shop floor workforce. These training focus on practical knowledge, real industry challenges, compliance awareness. Then next is process optimization. We analyze your manufacturing processes and identify inefficiencies, quality gaps, cost saving opportunities. The result is improved productivity and reduced operational costs. Now, why choose URGS International? Now, the question is why you should partner with URGS International. So, here is what makes us different: industry specialization. We focus specifically one crane and material handling industries. Global perspective. We understand international standards and global market requirements. Practical approach. We do not just give theoretical advice, we provide implementation solutions. Customized solutions. Every organization is different and we tailor our service accordingly. Commitment to quality and safety. We believe engineering is not just about performance but also about responsibility and safety. Now, real impact. Let us talk about the impact of the right consultancy. Organizations that implement structured engineering systems experience improved product quality, reduced failure rates, faster project execution, better audit success rates, increased customer trust. In a competitive global market, these advantages are not optional, they are essential. To conclude, the future of industrial crane manufacturing depends on engineering excellence, skilled workforce, strong compliance systems, controls improvement. At URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, we are committed to helping you achieve all of these. If you are looking to upgrade your engineering systems, train your team, implement good global standards, or prepare for international markets, you would be happy to collaborate with you. Get in touch with us. Our email is info@urgseng.com. Mobile number is +917359458455. This is our WhatsApp number also. Thank you for your time. If you found this video valuable, feel free to like, share. Let us build safer, smarter, and globally competitive engineering systems together. Thank you.